You have to be really careful when you have assets located outside the jurisdiction of the United States. It depends, there's a lot that depends on whether you're a citizen or a resident of the United States, but for U.S. citizens, we're all taxable on our worldwide income. Unfortunately, a lot of people got some bad advice and were told to invest their money in these so-called secretive accounts, and people were setting stuff up in Swiss bank accounts and in British Virgin Islands and many other tax beneficial jurisdictions. And they were told, well, if you invest your money in these accounts offshore, that there's not going to be any reporting. And frankly, it's fraud. For a lot of people, they were misled. And the reality is, again, if you're a U.S. citizen, it doesn't matter where the accounts are located, but you have to pay income tax on any gains and dividends that are generated by those accounts. And having said that, if you're paying your income taxes on it, there's nothing wrong with holding an account overseas. You have to watch the political climate of that particular jurisdiction to make sure that there's not going to be a threat that it could be seized. There's some other considerations, and some of our clients even say, well, between the income taxes and the estate taxes, I'm just going to move to another country. Unfortunately, the IRS actually has rules about that and says that there's specific language in the Internal Revenue Code that allows the IRS to actually come after expatriates for up to 10 years after you renounce citizenship. So you have to even be careful with that if the primary motivation is to try to avoid, U.S. taxation. So it's a very complex area. The IRS has some programs out there right now. If you do have one of these offshore accounts where you can basically come clean, if you need any help with that, please call us. We'll be happy to help you.